big one. I'm gonna back up a little bit more because I think I'm gonna have to pull it pretty tight. Pretty close. Get this back in though. Dragging her right back in the ditch. This is gonna be a tough one. A little more. This time I didn't pull ahead quite as much. Let's see if we can still get it coming. It is just more ice here. I think we're going to make her this time. Okay, ready? So I put the rope on the other side and try to pull it more this way. Yeah. Should work. Good deal. Okay. And we are out. And there we go. Heading for home. Got 2 more away.